Just improve yourself. That is the only thing you can do to better the world. Waiting for change while not doing anything, for it is like waiting for the train at a bus stop. Care about what other people think, and you will always be their prisoner. Remember to take care of yourself. You can't pour from an empty cup. From the point of view of youth, life is an endless future. From the point of view of old age, it is a very short past. It is not so much our friends' help that helps us as the confidence of their help. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you did rather not. We are our choices. Every journey has its final day. Don't rush. The trouble is, if you don't spend your life yourself, other people spend it for you. Facing your emotions gives you more strength and happiness in the long run than shutting them down or ignoring them. It's never too late to reinvent yourself. Be the reason someone smiles. Be the reason someone feels loved and believes in the goodness in people. Life changes for the better when we realize that we don't have to know everything and we don't have to pretend that we do. If you have a strong purpose in life, you don't have to be pushed. Your passion will drive you there. Use your voice for kindness, your ears for compassion, your hands for charity, your mind for truth, and your heart for love. I have never met a strong person with an easy past. Be proud of your scars and that you are still standing. Forgive those who insult you, attack you, belittle you, or take you for granted. But more than this, forgive yourself for allowing them to hurt you. What's broken can be mended, what harm can be healed, and no matter how dark it gets, the sun is going to rise again. Your happiness always begins with you. I have decided to be happy because it's good for my health. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. Accept the pain and get ready for success. Set your heart on doing good. Do it over and over again, and you will be filled with joy. Better to be through a fool than to open your mouth and remove all doubt. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Don't take people for granted. You never know when they could be gone. You never know how much they mean to you until they are gone. It's possible to commit no mistakes and still lose. That is not a weakness, that is life. Life becomes more meaningful when you realize the simple fact that you will never get the same moment twice. Your value is not determined by someone else's inability to see your worth. Buy something without looking at the price tag. First, work without looking at the clock. If you wait for something, all that happens is that you get older. Confidence is not walking into a room thinking you are better than everyone. It's walking in not having to compare yourself to anyone at all.